YouTube, today we'll do an unboxing on a Powersmart 3400 PSI pressure washer. Let's cut into it. Get into it. We got that's just the handle for it. The motor, lower half. Let me get this out. That's where you put the soap in, I guess. We got 3 knobs, different little 4. There is a little damage, but I ain't tripping on that. I think this is a 25-foot pose for it. The gun and other little piece for it. Some little tools, some little screws, and a little funnel, I guess, to put the oil. You do have to buy your own oil. So you just take this top, you just screw that on. Let me do it. I got to do this with 2 hands. So that just screw on just like that. That. That's all your hardware. You just take the handle, put him on like that. You take these, you go on the inside like that, and you just screw them on. Just like that. This for the front right here. That bolt will be a 10mm, so just tighten that up. Those 4 bolts go on the back, those will be 10mm too. Run that soap hose into here. Side with the angle, connect right there. Go the side to the gun, tighten it up. After you put your 10W30 in, right there, you're good to go. Let's put some gas in it. So you go hit that choke, cut him on, cut the gas on. You go choke it, make sure the gas on, cut that on.